students, welcome to the topic of screw thread cutting internal metric thread tool grinding. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to cut internal thread, grind internal V-threading tool and check the angles with the tool angle gauge or protractor.
Materials and equipment. Tapping tool or tap. Tap wrench or tapping handle. Cutting oil or lubricant. Drill bit. Screw pitch gauge. Process. Task 1. Cutting internal thread. Check the raw material size. Hold the work in a 4-jaw chuck about 10 mm inside the chuck and through it. Face the one end. Rough and finish. Turn the outer diameter 48 mm to possible length. Chamfer 2 into 45 degrees on the outer edge. Drill and bore the hole to the core diameter of the thread. Fix the internal threading tool in a post and set it with the center gauge. Set the machine to 3 mm pitch and the spindle speed levers to 1/3 of the roughing speed. Touch the tool tip to the bore surface and set the cross feed graduated collar to 0. Rough and finish M24/3 by giving successive cuts, ensuring the correctness of the pitch by checking with the pitch gauge. Reverse and hold the work on diameter 48 mm and chuck its run out. Face the end of work and maintain a total length of 32 mm. Chamfer 1/45 degrees on the outer edge. Task 2. Grinding V tool. Prepare the pedestal grinder for grinding a threading tool. Grind front clearance angle of 8 degrees and secondary clearance angle 20 degrees. Grind a side clearance angle of 5 degrees and a thread one side cutting angle of 30 degrees. Grind the other side, clearance angle 95 degrees and thread cutting angle of 30 degrees. Grind top rake angle 6 degrees and a side rake angle of 4 degrees. Maintain a nose radius of 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters. Deburr with an awl stone.
In this video, we learn about how to cut internal thread, how to grind internal V-threading tool, and how to check the angles with a tool angle gauge or protractor. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.